Today we're going to Universal Studios, which is a park I have been so excited about. Obviously it has some massive thrill rides there, but I have been reading up. I cannot take any cameras on the rides. I can take a camera around the park, which I'll do, but I can't take a camera on the rides, so no GoPro. And I've been trying to think about how I'm going to play this one vlog-wise. I think I will just have to tell you about the rides I go on maybe before I go on them, and then give you a very quick review afterwards. So I'm going to go and try that. It's gonna be hot today. My hat from yesterday. Right, we have just got into Islands of Adventure and we're heading towards the Hulk ride, which I've heard about years ago as being one of the best roller coasters in the world. It's got several loops in it and yeah, it looks pretty intense. Here it is, the Incredible Hulk. So I did it. I'm feeling a little bit lightheaded after that. I think we all are. There was, yeah, it was quick, it was over quick and it was good. Right, with the Hulk done, we're walking towards the Spider-Man ride. I think it's just called The Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man, but it's not a roller coaster, it's a dark ride. So you're in like a carriage and the graphics are supposed to be really good, so we're heading there now. And I have some 3D glasses for this ride. Well, the graphics on that were amazing. Probably one of the best dark sort of simulation rides I've been on, but the movements made me feel a little bit lightheaded. Right, moving on again. Where are we going? To the King Kong ride?
Skull Island.
Skull Island. King Kong's done. The queuing experience was definitely part of the ride. Like there was a lot of animatronics and you were walking around some scary caves. There were even some actors who jumped out at you in the scary caves, which I definitely screamed at. The ride itself was another simulation ride, just like the Spider-Man ride, but I think I preferred King Kong better than that actually. It was more impressive and yeah, it was a good ride. But now we're in the Jurassic Park bit, I think, and we're about to go on one of the Jurassic Park rides. We did go on a Jurassic Park's river ride, which was quite tame. Wasn't expecting the drop at the end though, and it was quite cool with loads of raptors and a T-Rex at the end. But what's just got me soaking wet was Dudley Do Right's Ripsaw Falls. Oh my god, so soaked. But already wet. We're going on another ride. We're going on Popeye's Bulge Rat Barges. Drenched. Honestly, I've never been so wet on a ride before. My shorts, my top, I'm drying off a little bit now, but was absolutely soaked. I'm literally finding it hard to walk in my sandals now because they're so slippery. Just stopping by the Cowfish for some lunch. Believe it or not, but it's actually just gone past 5. We've been here all day and we're only just getting to the Harry Potter world. So there's 2 different Harry Potter sections in Universal. As we're in Islands of Adventure, we're in Hogsmeade at the moment, and I think there's Diagon Alley and other Harry Potter stuff over in Universal Studios Park, where we're heading to tomorrow. At the moment we're just enjoying some dragon's beer blood, something like that. Queuing up for our first Harry Potter ride then, and it is Flight of the Hippogriff. I've got to admit, I've not read all the books or seen all the movies, so I'm not quite sure what a hippogriff is. That was quite a busy day, just after 9 at Universal. I think we left just after 7, so we had a pretty full-on day, and tomorrow we're going back to go to Universal Studios and obviously to go on some more rides. I know there's one there I saw today which looks quite scary, so we'll probably go on that first thing tomorrow morning. But for now, we need to get some sleep because we're getting up early once again. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.